Hi Professor, my name is Amanda Valdivia. This is week 5 of Bio 225. Today's date is March 29th of 2019. This week we learned a lot about different testing of bacteria, how to minimize finding the bacteria and how to do that by different tests. So this video is going to be about the Voges Proskauer test. I hope I'm saying that right. And so now I'm going to show you how to perform that kind of test. I have my 4 labeled tubes here, test tubes. They are cleaned by alcohol. So I have my 2 E. coli ones and I have my 2 epidermidis ones. I'm probably killing that as well. And then I have my 2 active cultures that were in the MRVP broths, okay? These have been incubating for 72 hours. The first 48 hours, I didn't see as much growth. And I said, well, I have an extra day, so what the heck, why not? Let's just do it another day. So I did. So these have been sitting for about 72 hours, maybe less, maybe about 64 hours or something like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the steps with you, okay? So the first step is to pour each of these half and half into each of these tubes. So I'm going to start with the E. coli one, okay? E. coli is over here, so we're going to start there. Let's see. It says, carefully pour half of the incubated MRVP broth labeled E. coli into each of the corresponding test tubes. Repeat for the broth labeled as epidermidis. So it says I should have equal parts amounts. So I'm going to do that now. Oh my gosh, this looks like 2 drops. There we go. And I'm not too fond of this test tube tray, because they fall. So now I'm going to do the epidermidis one. And I noticed that the bacteria likes to sit on the bottom of this one, so I'm just going to twirl it around so that way I can get equal amounts of bacteria. So maybe if I do this. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So that's that step. Let me see. I don't like this. Stay. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the methyl red reagent. And I'm just going to pour it down the drain here. Not pour it down the drain, but cut it over the drain here. Okay, and then it says, use a wet paper towel to carefully wipe the scissors. Oh, I'll do that later. Let's see. Pipette 7 drops into 1 of the E. coli and into 1 of the epidermidis test tubes. So 1 and 1. So we'll use the back ones for this one. So it says 7 drops, so 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. That's that. Okay. Immediately observe the color of the broth after adding the drops and record it into data table 1 of your laboratory assistant. If the test is positive, the broth will appear red or pink. Whoa! Look at that. All right, cool. Okay, so take a photograph of your results, resize, and insert the image. Okay, so for that one, I'm going to leave that one so I can take a picture with my phone, and then I'll go through with the second part of it, and then we'll do the same thing. Okay. So this one's going to have a little bit multiple videos, but shorter ones. So stay tuned. Thank you.